exam days, exams and questions. I hope that one thing the children will like here, that is the first one, school days. And the rest of the three, they will never like, they don't like. Let's check this image once again. Look at the emotion of the teachers here, we are here. And look at the emotion of the teachers over here. And look at the emotion of the students over there. So, it's a true story. Whatever we do, in any level we create question, in any standard, in any form, junior division, mid division, senior division, EdExcel, national curriculum, whatsoever. This is the ultimate reality. Will you agree?
Yes.
So, this is the point. And the last image can disturb you a bit. Look at this. Students' feelings before exam, they are ready to face with their ammunitions and they will fight. But after a certain period of time, after the exam is over, look at his condition. And today, as we are talking about questions, we can be the reason of this picture. The students get a good picture if the question is good. Similarly, if the question is not good, the student's situation will be like this. Do you agree? Thank you very much. So, as Jolly sir has already completed the theoretical part of all these creative questions, I will just focus on two most important slides for the other subjects, especially making creative questions in senior level. SSC candidate and HSC is a big challenge for everybody. And most of you are making these small kids when they grow up in class 4 or 5, they are also getting the flavor of this creative question. But the ultimate reality is being proven when they come to SSC. So let's focus what we are getting in other subject in SSC. Usually in creative question, Jolly sir has said that in mathematics they have 3 parts, but we have 4 parts. The part 1 having 1 mark only, and I have given some keywords that we can make question by using this WH, or it can be even called relative pronoun in English. Then coming to the comprehension part, we are also using WH formula where we can use why, how, define, etc. This can be the keyword when we prepare question for our students. And honestly speaking, this is a traditional method prescribed by Dhaka board and Bangladesh government. So what subject, what we make, we must follow it. And your question reflects your eligibility, your performance, your experience. So whenever we make question, we should keep in mind that a children is reading you through your question paper. If the question is harder, the feelings is, I have shown you, it will be like that. There is no alternative of this. So we have part 1, knowledge base. You can see I have written here, this is mostly one word based answer. Preferably it can be in sentence. If you write, it's alright. The student write, it's okay. But if the time is short, he can even mention only one word. It is okay. It contains a unique information. It is the easiest part, as I've said, very easy. This is the part where students get confident. This is the beginning of the first part of their question. In the second part, they will just explore a bit. They will try to find out the reason and the causes of a certain situation or any kind of events or whatsoever. Most importantly, look at question number 4 here. The question of this part might not have any relation with the STEM. And eventually the other part also, it might not have any relation with the STEM. It can be from different topic. I mean, C and D will be related to the STEM in most of the cases, if I am right. Now in the third part, in the application part, you can see there will be a hint in physics, chemistry, biology, BJS, IME or religion, whatever. A hint will be given by a certain character, a situation, and we will try to compare, we will try to find out those reasons. Remember, our textbook is our main target here. We will have to set everything from textbook. Jolly sir pointed out that we should not make anything out of our text. And most cases, the student will be comfortable when we will create question by using the textbook. So here in question number 5, partial marking, it indicates that a question is answered half of the pages, few lines. So whatever he or she has contributed, you will have to value them. We will have to value them. We can give 1 out of 3, we can give 2 out of 3, but there is no system of giving fractional mark, if I'm correct, right? Anil sir? There is no fractional mark in creative question. We need to remember it every time. National curriculum, correct sir. So in the 4th level, you can see this is the part which is a challenge for the ordinary student, but very good student might be very much comfortable here. And as we are very much bothered about GFAP 5, Gordon or whatsoever, this is the area from where the ordinary student, mid student and poor students are differentiated. Because in the higher skills, if the children do not study the textbook, if he or she is not serious, it will never be possible for him or her to get good marks in this part. So we should be very cautious when we create part C or part 3 and part 4 question. We will have to visualize our children while making question paper. Please do not make question from your standard. Please prepare question from the standard of the student, the level of the student. Which classes student you are making question paper. It should not be over standard or under standard, whatever. This is also covered by Jolly sir. Sir has already said that we need to make levels of MCQ. We need to make sure that we are making 30% easy question for everybody, but medium will be 50%, and the percentage of the hard question will be very much less. So making difficult question is not a credit for a teacher. It's never. Because after coming outside from the exam room, the particular student emotion and feelings will reply your image, what you have done. Am I going too fast? Okay, thank you. So here the division of subject-wise distribution of MCQ. We can divide simple MCQ that we have 30 marks. We can take at best 20 simple MCQ. Multiple completion we can take 6, and situation set we can take 4, total 30. In this part, in 25 marks, it is practical subject-based marks, especially in SSC. So we will have to set question by at least making simple question 18, 3 and 4 as per SC, as per the program prescribed by Dhaka Board. Now I am almost at the last slide of my today's slide, but I need to find out a common ground, forgetting about national, international, Edexcel, Cambridge, HSC, SSC, whatsoever. And then when I make question, when we make question, please consider these 5 points. First, we need to make sure for whom we are making question. Amar a subject a kon bacha porikha dicche. If it is junior level, if it is secondary level, if it is higher level, our standard of question will differ. It will not be very much difficult for a small kid. The children should be happy after giving exam, not the feelings I showed you before, please. We should not do that. The second one, we should create our question from our taught topic. Class jeta porano hobe 2 page poralo hole okhan theke amra question korbo. Amra jodi 1 page poriye thaki odheke korbo. Please let us not violate this. Amra bachake discomfort e rakhbo na. We will prepare our question from all the topics we have done nicely in the class. And this confidence should be amongst us, obviously. Third point, we need to visualize who is XYZ. X ko bhalo student, Fortuno bhalo na. No, sorry. We need to check back each and every student mentality. Ami jani class e weak bacha ke. Ami jani class e bhalo student ke answer korte parbe ke parbe na. So please, we will have to visualize this standard, these levels. Otherwise, our question will never be enjoyed by the students. And I would say in BIS, point number 4 is nothing to us. Thousands of exams we are having. The teachers are making millions of questions. We have our question. We are collecting the question, but we need to modify it every time. Sometimes the system has updated, but we are not updated. So with the change of time, you need to update your question. And if you have a question bank like Anil sir, like me, like Jolly sir, like XYZ, আমাদের অনেকের question bank আছে। আমরা যারা public exam এর সাথে connected, কোয়েশ্চেন রাখতে হয় আমাদেরকে। সো এই কোয়েশ্চেন ব্যাংকটা মাঝে মাঝে মডিফাই করতে হবে, রোল অন করতে হবে, কিছু জিনিস চেঞ্জ জানতে হবে ডিউ টু দ্য সিচুয়েশন। ইটস নট লাইক দ্যাট আমি 10 বছরের একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আমি এখন দিয়ে দিলাম। The children will judge my pulse by that. And last but not the least, this is our common national anthem, our lesson plan. Sorry, our last lesson, our homework, our classwork, and our exercise should be the main source of our question. It should not be something falling from the sky. So I will end my today's session with a quote. Please take a look. So thank you all, thank you very much. I have not taken much time, so I hope you have enjoyed the session. See you
Sir
again.
did not take much time. Very short.
Yes sir, thank you very much.
So let's